Some introduction of operating system. So in this we will look about the operating system. Means what is the operating system? So what is operating system? Operating system is a system software that communicates between a user and a system, takes place with the help of an operating systems. Windows, Linux, Androids are the examples of operating system that enables the user to use the programs like MS Office, Notepad and games on the computers or mobile phones. So these all are the applications which we use in our mobile phones, smartphones, laptop, PC. So some application it's called as a operating system, like it allocates the resource, the tasks of the operating system, monitors activities, it manages disks and files. Now here are the evolutions of operating system, means history of operating systems. So the first computer Z1 was made in 1936 to 1930. Unfortunately, these computers ran without an operating system. 20 years later, the first ever operating system was made in 1956. In the 1960s, Bell Labs started working on building Unix, the first multitasking operating system. Then comes to the 1977, the Apple series came into existence, where Apple DOS 3.3 was the first DISC operating system. Now the last is the most famous Microsoft Windows came into the existence in 1985, when MS-DOS was paired with GUI, a graphics environment. These are the histories of operating systems. Now let's see working of operating system. How it works? It works between the user and the hardware. So interface between the users, applications, then operating system and hardware. It receive and sending the information through user through the hardware. Here are the tasks for operating systems. Recognize and install peripheral device, manage files and folders, sets out system memories, handle some systems errors and alerts the user, manage system security, allow software to communicate with hardware, moves data to and from the hard disks, loads and run other software applications, and handles the input and output units. Here are the evolution of Windows logos. So evolutions of Windows in 1985, Windows 3.1 1992, Windows 5 1995, Windows XP 2001, Windows Vista 2006, Windows 7 2009, Windows 8 2012 and Windows 10 2015. Now the evolutions of Windows logos and some of the basics are distributed systems, serial processing, batch processing, multi-programming, then time sharings and the parallel systems. Now we'll see about the functions of operating systems. So memory management, device management, processor management, security, error detection, coordination between software and user, job accounting, file management. These are the functioning of operating system. Components: process management, memory management, multitask and file management. So let's see difference between Windows and Linux. So Windows, most security threats due to widespread use, several standard version, easy to use, require paid license, we need license, paid license, closed source, flat file system. Linux, better security with great community support, large number of distributions, requires extensive knowledge, free to use, open source, hierarchical file system. Thank you.